Have you ever wanted those beautiful textured beeswax tapers you see in high-end home boutiques, but you just can't justify paying $15 or $20 for a set? Many store-bought tapers are actually blended with cheap paraffin wax, meaning they drip toxic soot all over your dining room table. But you can easily make your own pure elegant candles at home in under 2 minutes without melting a single drop of wax. Welcome back. Today we are hand rolling a set of HARVEST GLOW BEESWAX TAPERS. We are using pre-formed honeycomb sheets, which means there are no messy hot pouring pots, no cleanup, and zero guesswork. They burn with a gorgeous steady golden flame and fill your space with a natural smoky honey aroma that instantly makes your home feel grounded and cozy. The magic here is in the simplicity of the materials. These pure beeswax honeycomb sheets are incredibly pliable, meaning they naturally bend and roll without needing to be melted. They provide a long, exceptionally clean burn and carry a built-in honey scent. We are pairing them with a thick cotton wick sized specifically for the heavy, rich nature of beeswax, so the flame never drowns. If you'd like to add a scent, add a few drops of our new pumpkin spice blend to infuse the inner layers with a subtle, nostalgic scent of cinnamon and clove upon first lighting. Let's roll them together. Lay your beeswax sheet flat on a clean surface and place your wick along the short edge. Cut the wick so it leaves about a ½ inch tail sticking out at the top. This will be the end you light. If you want to add a subtle scent boost, drop your pumpkin spice oil onto a cotton ball and lightly brush it across the sheet, leaving a small border near the wick. Now gently fold the edges of the wax over the wick. Use your thumbnails to crimp it down tightly. The tighter the initial wrap is, the slower and more beautifully your candle will burn. Now place the palms of your hands flat on the wax and roll the cylinder forward with steady, even pressure. Just watch the edges to make sure everything stays perfectly lined up as it rolls. Pro tip: if your room is a little chilly and the wax sheet feels a bit stiff or brittle, just give it a quick 5-second blast with your hair dryer. That softens the wax instantly. Once you reach the end, gently press the seam down into the honeycomb pattern with your thumb to seal it tight. Repeat that process for your other 2 sheets. Drop them in your favorite candle holders and you have a stunning boutique quality set. The beauty of the Simply Earth recipe box is that it takes the intimidating guesswork out of natural DIY projects. We send you the exact pre-cut honeycomb sheets, the correct heavy-duty wicks, and the pure essential oils right to your front door. You don't have to spend hours hunting down specific crafting supplies. You just open the box and create. These tapers have a quick focused burn time of about 45 minutes to an hour, making them absolutely perfect for adding a warm ambient harvest glow to your dinner table or your evening reflection routine. When you finish rolling your tapers, take a photo, share it in our Facebook group with the hashtag #IMadeThis. We love seeing your home setups, and you'll be automatically entered for a chance to win a $100 gift card. See you in the next video.